In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Gemini on your MacBook step by step. First, open Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to Google and search for Google Gemini Mac. From the search results, make sure you open the official Google Gemini website. This is important so you download the correct and safe version. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description so you can access it faster. Once you're on the official Gemini page, look for the download option for Mac, then click on the Download for Mac OS button. The Gemini installer should now start downloading to your Mac. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and look for the file named gemini.dmg. Double-click on the file to open it. A new installation window should appear on your screen. To install Gemini, simply drag the Gemini icon into the Applications folder. Now wait a few seconds for the app to copy into your Applications folder. Once that's done, you can close the installation window. You can also move the installer file to the trash if you want to keep your Downloads folder clean. Next, open Finder, then go to the Applications folder. Find Gemini in the list of apps and double-click on it to open it. The first time you launch the app, your Mac may show a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet. If you see this message, just click Open to continue. Gemini should now open on your MacBook. From here, you can sign in with your Google account or create a new account if you don't already have one. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Google Gemini on your MacBook.